I'm muted. How's it going, guys? Welcome to Local Channel Trading. We are back. We're looking for some nice trades today. Quickly go over what we're looking at today. Today we're looking at this mRNA found on the scanner. We're gapping up over 30% there. We like a higher price name stock. We're gonna be taking a look at the market. The market's gapping up as well. But we do have some resistance, so we're looking for it to hit that resistance and look for that opportunity short as well. We got some more stocks that are looking fairly solid. We're looking at this FLGT. This one looking to have a lot less volume. I was looking for it for a nice short if it were to set up. A lot less volume though, but we'll see what happens. We wanted to initially get short on this one. This one's been moving wild. It went up like 100 and something percent yesterday, and we have some resistance up there. But in order to short this, it requires 500% short margin. So no way we could short that. But nonetheless, we got some here that we're looking for. But really, we have to wait for that setup. So. We're not looking to trade long today. We're looking for some nice quick moves. Quickly execute and then move on. All right. Typically, I'm waiting for at least the third candle to get that set up there. I was liking this for using that pre-market data to get short there, but I said let's just wait. It's coming right down real quickly. But I'm still liking this one. This one's looking nice. 2 more candles on this would be good. That's some daily resistance. A lot of things going in my direction that I'm looking for, but we're just waiting for that setup. It is the very first candle. The market's not even sure what it wants to do. Huh, quite yet. Let's take a look at that daily chart. As you can see, we're gapping up wall high here. If we're able to get above this, maybe we can get the momentum to the long. Still have that level we have to break past, right? Second candle, take a look at that. A little bit too weak, right? There's no real entry for me unless I were to enter it on that pre-market setup there. So, but this is still looking nice for us if it's able to, go test that 9 moving average view up and the 20 there. Not bad, and then we get our entry there for the short as it makes its way back down. We have some room. But this still can set up for a move with us if it comes pulls back up, and then we get that low probably around like 10 o'clock or so. But this is really what I'm liking, so a little stretch. And hopefully, we get some more volume in there. Right now we're only at 200K volume. One minute 40. Could potentially get in for that 1 minute entry. Same for the five. Whoa, and there it goes for the 5 minute setup. That is reckless. But there goes our entry. We can't enter. That is ridiculous. I actually never seen something like that happen. I'm looking at the 5 usually though, but yeah. There goes our entry for a short. If it just waited one more second, we would have been in that. There's no entry for us here. Unfortunate for that. That's very interesting. I wonder I wonder why that happened. There's some news or something that came out. Before we could even get an entry. Alright, so we just gotta be patient and wait for an opportunity to set up for us. I was really looking forward for that nice short trade. You could pull up the scanner. and take a look. So, alright, so that's definitely out of the question. Mm, mm, mm. Let's see how strong this market is. If it's strong, I got some long opportunities and we can capitalize on. Looking at Nvidia for that, sure. I'm also looking at the market to see if we have that potential. One's definitely is gonna have to wait for a second, but we can go like a 70. Alright, so we do have some space, so let's see if we can break below 2 minutes 20 seconds to the next 5-minute candle. See what we could do on this. We do have some space, so until our space runs out, let's see what we could do. I really want that next 5-minute candle to open up though before we able to take off so we can get that max potential out of the trade there. A minute and 20 seconds though. This is a fairly big candle there. I was looking for that next 5-minute candle to open up to get that full big move, but we could take out, let's see, we have 38 seconds. I say we take off half and then leave the other half. 23 seconds. We might have to just take it on one time. We're holding that 6. Yeah. We'll just take off the whole thing, make it a one trade. Mm, that market's popping up a little bit. Looks like it's also setting up for a flag there. So we want to take off just fairly soon. It depends because we still have a lot of opportunity if it comes down, but that's gonna require some more time to set up for us. I'm debating on if we should hold for a bigger move or just take off. Because what we don't want is the market to set up and go against us and, drag this stock up. We'll take a look at, let's see what Apple's doing. Apple's coming back up. Take a look at Tesla. I mean, I think we're just gonna take off here soon. 3 minutes, 30 seconds, but this is setting up if we can hold at this range to that next 5 minute candle, that'd be good. But then again, that's still 3 minutes and 20 seconds. And then we can get that nice move, through lower day. Just don't want that market to set up there. Because the resistance all the way up here is above the moving averages and everything, right? So it looks like we're gonna hold for that bigger move. Let's see what we're able to make out of this. Those other ones aren't setting up for me. They just straight down. No real entry, unfortunately. A minute 40. This is what we like to see here. Since I'm not going to be trading for too long, or I don't want to be trading for too long, that's why I really want to go for this bigger move here, because we can take off our profits right now, but we have that room also available, some more opportunities. And we're just only waiting for this next 5 minute candle, see what that could do. If that makes a new low, then that's amazing. We can potentially break through low of day there and get some weakness. So less than a minute here, hopefully. If not, then we might be chilling for longer. All right, market's looking like this is gonna be a nice one. We have everything setting up. I'm gonna take off. I'm debating if I should take off in portions or the whole thing. Depends how fast the move is. I think I'm gonna just stick to taking off the whole thing. All right, now we're looking for that low, it to make that new low, and then we're chilling. All right, made that low, and now we're looking for that push to lower day. Looking at the market. Hopefully we can get a move off of that. It's a really nice setup there. We just need that weakness to come in. It's chilling. I was looking for a more aggressive move. Let's give it some time. It's only been a minute. I was hoping for a bigger move. Even the market's looking in our direction. So we'll give it some time. Take a look. Tesla's nice looking weak. Apple's looking weak. Same that nice setup there. Alright, so we're chilling. I would have taken off if it had that move that we're looking for. A little bit more volume to really confirm that we're weak there. Because that was just a tiny poke. Look, you can even see that volume there. Two minutes to that next 5 minute candle. I feel like the volume's just sitting around here somewhere. A lot of resistance above us. It's good. Looking for that lower day push. There's the market. The market's pulling down nice. Now we're just waiting for this. This is like, there we go. A little bit delayed. We still looking for way more volume than that. We are at that lower day support, so 47 seconds. I just taken off. It can still go, but oh, that market made its push down there, right? So I'm like, okay, this is gonna potentially pull back up, so we'll take our profits there. But solid. When it came to this, we're looking for a setup there, but it just left without us, right? You seen that 1 minute, it just gapped down. We're looking for it to make that new low, so it literally be that next candle as it made that new low. But I guess like it happened so soon or whatever that happened, or it moved without us, so we missed out on that one. Like we said, we couldn't short this one because it had 500% short restriction. We would have gotten on an entry on that last candle there. To make that, we have space to lower day. So we couldn't trade that one short. And this one we're looking for, there's no setup. It just went straight down. No opportunities for us to capitalize on that. Nonetheless, I was like 25 minutes. We can call it a day there. One trade, one winner. Nothing else setting up at the moment. Of course, we can get set up later on. I see a lot of my trades are popping up there. But we don't we didn't want to trade too long today. We're hoping for that nice momentum. The market's moving in our favor. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. How's it going? And yeah, I'm gonna just be chilling. Gotta get some exercising in and some breakfast. All right, hope you. How's it going? Good morning. I'd really like to trade more, but we're not gonna force anything, nothing else setting up at the moment. We just like to capitalize on those quick moves. If you know the way I trade, that's the same exact setup that I trade mainly, my main short one. All right, so hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for reaching out.